Hello everyone, hopefully you guys are doing good, right? I'm here. I have a simple question, right? It's like, do you guys know why we use quotes in Python, right? There are two quotes, right? Single and double, right? And let me tell you, in Python, both single or double quotes work same, right? Yep, they are little bit different from each other, but their work is same, right? And we use quotes in Python because when we have to print any value, any line, any number, or anything that we want to print, right, then in those cases we use quotes, right? Then let me show how it works in the quotes, right? Let's get on the screen right here. Firstly, we are going to create a variable with a name variable, right? Fine. And let's give this value with double quotes. Let's give it a string value. That is my name Anand, right? And let's print this thing here, name, and just run the code. And yep, we have run the code successfully, and here is the output Anand. Fine, right? Now we will see if I will not use quotes here, then what will happen. Yep, here, let's print this stuff. Yep, here is name Anand is not defined. This is because the Python compiler has thinks that this name and Anand, not name, this Anand word is a variable, not a value or text, right? Code thinks that this is a variable and this variable should contain a value, right? But this is a value in case wise, right? So here if we use single quote, right, as likely I've said that single quotes and double quotes both work same, then let's print this thing and we have here output here. Nice, simple. So my main summary is like, if we use double or single quotes, then code think that that value can be print, right? And if we don't use, then code thinks that that word or yeah, word is a variable and it should contain a value, right? Is simple. um, and let me show you one more thing. If we want to run the code in our terminal, then we can do in this way. We are in the new terminal, just type here Python, then the file, folder name, and then file name, and just press the enter, and yeah, our code is running. It's time simple, right? So uh, this is all for now. See you in the next one. See you.